Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video you can see my name on my screen, on my Instagram screen. You can see my stylish name here. So how to put this stylish name on your Instagram name, Instagram username or name. So what you have to do is, it's very simple. I will show you what you have to do. So now guys, I will give the link. You have to download one application. You can see here, this is the application. So now guys, you have to download it from Google Play Store. You can phone changer. So let me go to Google Play Store. I will show you. I will paste the link on the bio also. So let me just search for font. Sorry, FONTCHN changer. So just click phone changer, and then you can see you have to download this yellow color one. You have to download the exact ones, and so don't worry, I will just um give this link on the description box. So guys, after opening this link, after opening this application, you will find this type of interface here. It's very simple. You can see lots of font are available here. You can see. So like I will show you by changing one font here. So let me just take this simple one, normal one. So after typing this, let me just delete this, and then let me type again RENDOM. Sorry, RENDOM and slash TV. Done. So now what you have to do is, you have to click on this copy option. You can see here. So just click on the copy option and press OK. Now go back to your Instagram. So let's go to Instagram, and then you have to click on edit profile. After clicking to edit profile, you can see here name. So just delete the name, and then you have to press the new name here. So now you can see here, just click on the right option here. Just click right, and then you can see here my cool name has been changed. So now in this way, what you can do is, you can go to this application. You can type up your is a tech channel, CHNNL channel. So guys, i hope I hope, sorry, I hope you guys, GUYS guys, will SUPP or this support me. Okay, so let me copy this, and then you can write in your own way. So after going here, you can go to bio, and then you can press here and save here. You can change the bio of your page also. You can see my bio has been changed. So guys, this is how you can change cool name on Instagram, name and bios. Thanks for watching guys.